We're at 3197 Unit A on Highway 29. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath home, recently remodeled. We're entering into the front door here. We have carpeting throughout the majority of the home and then laminate flooring for the rest of the home. So here is that living area. There is central air and heat, so that's a great benefit. Heading to the back of the unit, we have our kitchen. We have our back door access as well. And then here's that kitchen space. We've got the fridge and the stove here, and then we have the large window to the backyard. You can see our storage shed there as well. We're gonna pass the back door, go back through the living room. We'll come to our bathroom. So this is on the back side of the home. So we have a tub shower combo, good size vanity, and our water heater is behind that door. Heading back out, here is bedroom number 1. This is the smaller of the bedrooms. It's on the back side of the home. Still a very good size, could be storage or kids' room or nursery, or maybe even an office. And then heading to our second bedroom, this is the larger of the bedrooms. And we have some cubby space over here. So we'll show you this room from a different angle. You can see our closet here as well. Again, this is 3197 Highway 29, Unit A, offered by Barrons Property Managers, 850-934-2588. We've just exited the front of the unit. I want to show you the front yard here. The yard is completely enclosed, and it's a good sized yard. So here is that yard space. Again, 3197 Highway 29, barronspm.com.